Presenting the 2009 Subaru Forester 2.5X. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: steering wheel audio controls, driver vanity mirror, security system, power windows, adjustable steering wheel, auxiliary audio input, intermittent wipers, and MP3 player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.